welcome to the vlog. We thought you got stolen. Food, 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 food. We're off to the farmer's market. We're gonna taste some cool food. Might buy some things, but we don't know because we're a little broke. Like every trip. Like every trip we take.
Well, I didn't know.
Zach, we have arrived. Okay guys, huddle.
Okay, so what's the plan? Are we going that way and then down, or are we going that way and then down?
Okay, I think we do like a zigzag, so you go down, back up, and then back down. Ooh, I like these.
Bae, are we doing some bargaining today?
Yeah, this is the prime spot to do it. Do you have snake skin?
Please.
All right.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're not the one for me.
And then we like start like a musical, like a synchronized dance.
You're not the one.
Perfect. Let's just do that. So first things first, we need some coffee because we really can't shop and make informed decisions without coffee, right, Jess?
Yes. Here though.
Brainy, stop being a downer.
I'm just saying.
Downer.
Oh.
I don't think we'll get copyrighted at this.
You can't copyright it if it's not the right words.
We got a lead on the coffee. Let's go up to the closest person with a coffee cup.
Coffee?
Yeah. Coffee.
Coffee for 3. This one.
It's over. I come back in 10 minutes more.
Oh no.
That wasn't dramatic at all.
We need to walk to the mall and get started.
I heard sample. Did you hear sample? I heard
Sample.
Let's go there. Calzones.
What is it?
It's calzone. I want all of
The dramatic falling to the ground was for nothing.
No, big.
I'll take one small.
One small, 2 big. Please. It's a good
Perfect.
It's mine.
I like my coffee how I like my men. A little bit of light and steaming hot. We've lost Jess.
We lost Jess in Mexico.
Great.
She has the GoPro.
So I was in a store and they didn't see me and they left me. And now I can't find them.
Date, it's been 10 minutes and we still haven't found her.
Like, you'd think it'd be easier to spot this girl because of her hair, but apparently it's impossible.
She's hiding. Or she's stolen. It's only one of the two.
I think I lost them forever, you guys. I think they're gone.
The audacity! We thought you got stolen!
I was in the shop looking at the artwork like I told you.
The market is a great place to find great deals here, and you can always bargain. That's the best part. That's not bad.
What's this picture mean? Where's
Brittany, where are you gonna put it? Where are you gonna put that?
fucking hammock? Brittany, do you even have a house?
I don't know how I'm gonna get on the plane.
Isn't that
How
much?
much is $1,000?
Like 40, 50.
To be honest, if Jason like Jess, I'd probably give him something like that because I mean it's just kind of like it's different and it's sentimental.
And it's like culturally like from here. Oh.
Brown one, yes.
So what did you just bargain down, Jess?
So I bargained this chessboard that I got. It was 1,800 pesos, but I didn't have enough pesos, so I got it down to $80. So
Cause
I got 20 bucks off. I could have done a little better, but
No, he was trying to stay at 85.
yeah.
But she got it down to
It
80.
was like 85.
Like the scammer she is. Where are we going?
Where are we?
I don't know. You know. Well, I thought we were.
We gotta get food.
Running for your mans, right?
I'm not trying to see what I look like.
I'm
Big head.
so excited right
Not a big head. Matches her ego.
now. Thumbnail. Oh my god, Brittany, I love it.
What does the pic say?
You need to wear this the rest of vacation. I have no idea.
Holly.
No.
It's time for the best part, guys. We're gonna get some food. Food.
so hyped. We're literally the most obnoxious people in Puerto Vallarta, but it's fine.
See free samples. Where are the free samples? I'm here for the free stuff.
So what kind of food are we getting?
Probably a calzone because we had to sample that and it was pretty good.
The Americans are getting calzones in Mexico.
I think the Hispanics have dumbed it down for us because it was more shaped like an empanada that you bake and everything like
That's
that.
true, and one had olives in it, and I love olives and cheese together. Ooh. So good.
Beef with chipotle chili. Beef with chipotle chili.
Beautiful. The good?
Let's go.
Perfect. I have no idea.
I don't know how much I have, so what?
350.
Thank you though. That was, so basically what happened was you all didn't see it, and if I had brought more cash with me, if I didn't have other gifts to buy, I definitely would have got it for myself. It was a hammock and everything like that. He wanted $900 for it, bargained him down to $350.
Yeah, she did.
To be honest, probably could have got it down to $300, but
That guy was like trying to give that thing to you almost
he
for
was trying to
free.
give it to me.
Okay, what you got cooking there?
I got the
Show us the good stuff.
tomato, basil, olive, tomato cheese thing. Some chipotle sauce.
Let's get it.
Oh my god. The cheese here is just so good.
That's cute. Nice.
Oh wow. Oh.
Sorry, I'm always in the way.
Think about these.
Grace would probably love
That one's possible, maybe. I don't like that one. I like this one. That one's a possible, maybe.
How much?
Possible.
450 pesos, señorita.
250 pesos. Yeah.
gotta keep looking.
over there, somewhere over there. Yeah.
Maybe not the same.
I mean, no, they're not the same, but I'm saying like she also liked them. They were like the
How
same.
much you wanna give me? Don't broke my little business.
I'm not trying to break your business.
Mira,
I wanna look around a little bit more, but I do like those.
350 pesos, you got it. 350, okay.
Okay, we'll do 350. So Brittany bargained. She helped with the bargain.
Yes, I did.
So the pants were 450, and she was like, "Oh, but I saw them over there for 250." So we met in the middle at 350, and I got some pants.
Yep.
It was great. You're so funny.
You think he's cute? You want me to like get his number for you or something?
Where?
The guy in the shop right behind me.
This is what happens when you're the only single one on vacation.
You got you got two fire
Come on,
ass
come on,
women right
come on,
here.
come on, come on, let's go.
Nah, I didn't say yes. Did not say yes. Okay. That was fun and extravagant, and I have the weirdest friends. We're going to head back to the hotel and talk about our experience.
I got you to laugh.
All right, you guys, we just got back from the farmer's market and we got some great deals, but the only way we got those great deals was bargaining. So when you're in Mexico and you go to a farmer's market, you have to bargain because Jess, what was that sick bargain you got again?
Yeah, it was 1,800 pesos, which is like $100, and I paid $80, not pesos.
He had said that it was $100 US because they know the conversion. They will also accept cash, like US cash. They went back and forth a little bit, went down to 90, went down to 85. He was really trying to stick at 85, but Jess got him down to 80. So, you know, a lot of the times if you're like, I don't know, when you start to walk away, like that's when you're gonna be able to get a good deal. Because Brittany, what did you get? Well, she didn't buy it, but she could have. It was like a big swing.
It was like 900 pesos, and then like I was like, I don't know, and then he went down to 700, and then it was like, I don't know, and literally I got it down to 300, but I just couldn't fit in my bag anywhere, so that's the only reason I didn't buy it. So I think that's what you guys need to understand is like they want to sell their stuff because they make it for pretty cheap.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like just always never go for the first price.
Never go for the first price.
Because you can always haggle them down, and if you really want it even more, they want to give you that price. So like kind of just be like, oh, I got it from somewhere else, a little cheaper.
Say this person offered me this price, that's what we did with my pants.
Yeah, so you can always get it down for less, or if you'd be like, oh, well, this one has like for my pants that I bought, I didn't like that they didn't have elastic under them. I got them for like 300 pesos because of like they're originally like 450. Say like you don't like something about it, and if they can't find it or they don't have it, they'll be like, well, we'll just give it for you this like really discounted price.
Yeah, so you know, just keep talking them down and you will eventually, hopefully, get to the price that you want.
Just practice.
Yeah, it is. It's like a skill set.
Yeah.
Bargaining, because you gotta have like the poker face on. You gotta be like, all right, I'm gonna walk away. You gotta know when you should walk away or when you shouldn't walk
So
away.
when the apocalypse happens and we have no currency or anything like that, you will be able to bargain.
Perfect.
Your friends, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beforehand, we were like practicing with each other.
There's like
We do
wingmen and
conferences.
wing women, but this is like the wing women of shopping.
Monday.
Of Monday. All right. Well, thank you guys for joining us today at the farmers market here in Puerto Vallarta, and we will catch you all on the next one.